Hello and welcome back. We now discuss an example from differentiation. The question is differentiate e raised to x upon log x with respect to x. So let us assume this function as y. So we say let y is equal to e raised to x upon log x. And now we have to find dy by dx. So if we differentiate with respect to x, we obtain the derivative as dy by dx is equal to, now here we have to apply the division rule or the quotient rule, that is u by v. So we apply the quotient rule and we obtain log x into derivative of e raised to x minus e raised to x into derivative of log x divided by log x the whole square. So we need to divide by log x the whole square. Now we proceed further. We obtain dy by dx is equal to, so let's see what derivative we obtain. Now log x would remain as it is. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So the first term would be log x times e raised to x minus, now e raised to x would remain as it is, and derivative of log x is 1 by x. So here we have e raised to x into 1 by x, the whole thing divided by log x the whole square. And the numerator, we could take e raised to x as the common factor. So if we take e raised to x as the common factor, we obtain log x minus 1 by x divided by log x the whole square. Now let us equalize the denominator over here. So we obtain e raised to x into, now x times log x, so that is x log x minus 1 divided by x. So that x could be written in the denominator. So we put that x in the denominator. So we have x times log x the whole square. And we just look at the options. So if we just look at the options, we see it is option B. So the answer to this question is option B.
Like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.